Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone alarm sound too low or completely silent issues. Let's get started. First, open the clock app on your iPhone and go to your alarm. You can either create a new alarm or edit an existing one. Tap on the existing one. Now tap on Sound. Make sure a proper ringtone is selected. If it is set to none, your alarm will stay silent. Next, go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here you'll see the ringtone and alert volume sliders. Drag it all the way up to increase the alarm sound. Also, make sure Change with Buttons is turned off so your volume doesn't accidentally get lowered. Now, another important fix is in Face ID and passcode settings. Go to the settings again. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode, find Attention Aware features. Turn this option off because it can sometimes reduce alarm and alert volume. After doing all this, your alarm should now ring loud and clear. And that's it. That's how you can fix iPhone alarm sound too low or silent issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes and iOS troubleshooting tutorials.